How to charge your electric car. If you have an electric car, finding ways to charge it is very important. There are several different types of chargers and some are slower than others. Regularly charge your vehicle at home through an outlet or charging station to keep your battery as full as possible. Public charging stations are still uncommon, so be sure to plan out your routes to take advantage of the best ones while you're out on the road. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to charge your electric car. Selecting a type of charger. 1. Use a 120-volt outlet to charge a car slowly at home. The easiest way to charge an electric car is by making good use of the standard wall outlets in your home. Most cars come with an extension cord that hooks up to wall outlets. This is called level 1 charging, and although it's not a very fast process, it's the cheapest way to charge the battery. It's perfect for topping off the battery when you're not in the car. 2. Find a 240-volt charger for a quicker way to charge a car. Level 2 charging is done through 240-volt outlets or machines and cuts the waiting time down by half. It's a much quicker solution to keeping your car running, but 240-volt outlets are rare, difficult to find, and different from standard 120-volt outlets. For that reason, you need to have a charging station installed on a regular outlet in order to charge your car this way at home. Commercial charging stations all run on level 2 charging as well. 3. Plug your car into a 480-volt station for the fastest charging. Some charging stations offer level 3 or 480-volt charging. These stations can fill up your battery within about 30 minutes. Stations that offer this service have big charging machines with a unique plug that connects to your vehicle. It's the quickest way to charge the battery, but these machines aren't available at every station. Charging your car at home. Charge your car after each trip to keep your battery full. Partially charged batteries fill up much quicker than drained ones. Most owners leave their electric vehicles plugged in overnight so they wake up to a full battery in the morning. Charging can take a while, so take advantage of charging stations when you have the opportunity to use them. Use a wall outlet for level 1 charging. Find a standard 120-volt outlet that isn't in use by anything else in your home. The best spot is a garage or another sheltered outlet close to where you park the car. Your car will have a loose charger cable stored in its trunk that plugs into your car's charging port and the outlet. Get a level 2 charger installed to speed up the charging process. Chargers cost about $200 to $500 to purchase, and most fit over an available outlet. Choose a charger listed as compatible with your vehicle model, then contact an electrician to complete the install. The charger plugs into the charging port on your car. Store the level 1 cable and plug the level 2 cable into the port. Remove and store the plug after your car has finished charging. When you see a small light appear on the car's dashboard, you know it has finished charging. Pull the plug out of the vehicle's charging port. If you're using a level 1 cord, fold it up and put it in the trunk for safe storage. If you're using a level 2 charger, hang the cord on the charger. Level 2 charging cords stay in place until you need to use them again. Using a public charging station, download a charging station map or app for when you're traveling. As electric vehicles have grown in popularity, dedicated charging stations have begun popping up. They can be tough to locate, so get a list of them before you leave home. Try looking at free apps such as PlugShare, ChargeHub, and ChargeMap. Google Maps also lists charging stations when you search for them within the app. Find a charging plug compatible with your vehicle. This information will be listed on station maps, although you can also find out by calling ahead or visiting. Find one compatible with your car. Most places offer outlets that work well with most vehicles. Tesla stations are the exception and can only be used to charge Tesla cars. Sign up for a membership if it is required to access the charger. A few different companies operate charging stations across the world. Register by using a credit or debit card online or through the company's app. Most companies offer free registration, although some make you pay to access their chargers. They also give you a plastic membership card that allows you to quickly activate a charger. Expect to pay to use a charging station. The fueling rate varies a lot from station to station and area to area. Some areas charge a set price per charging session, while others charge depending on how much electricity you use. It depends on the regulations in your region as well as the general cost of electricity. If charging costs anything, you will need a membership, debit, or credit card to pay. Plug the charger cord into your car when you're ready to use a station. Level 2 and 3 charging stations have built-in cords. All you have to do is pull your car up so its charging port faces the charging machine, park your car, then turn it off. After plugging in the cord to your car's charging port, use the machine's screen to activate the charger. If you're using a level 1 charger, you may need to get out your own cord and plug it into the station like you would at home. Warnings: doing electrical work at home is dangerous, so consult a licensed electrician when setting up a home car charger. And that's a wrap on how to charge your electric car. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.